Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to an advanced building tutorial on how to put exterior trim on any level of a house. So by default, well, first of all, let's start off with what the exterior trim is. So if you click on the house, of course, you have the roof trim that goes on the roof, but then you have the exterior trim that goes on the walls. So one of my favorite ones to use is the high tide exterior trim, and I'm going to use an alternating opposite, I don't know, a different color to kind of bring my point here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So let's pick this red one. Now, if I try to place it here, it says must be applied to a room above ground floor, which is super annoying. What that means is there has to be a room above it. So you can place the trim there, but you can't place it where you want to place it. I want to cover up this ugly section where the roof meets the paneling. It just doesn't feel like it's finished. So the trick to do that is actually super easy. All you have to do is change your wall view. So right now the wall view is on up, and we want to take it to down, which you can also do by hitting the end key on your keyboard. So if it was up on full walls or cutaway walls and you hit end twice, if you're on full walls, once if you're on cutaway walls, it'll bring you to this view where you can basically see the top of the room underneath the attic. Now, the trick here is the game has to consider it a room to be able to put the trim around it. So the way that you can trick it is by going into your walls and empty rooms, grabbing a flat square, which is basically a room without walls, and putting it exactly on the roof where you want your trim to go. So I'm going to cover up that entire area. So now it tricks the game into thinking that this is a room, even though it's still just a roof. So now we can grab that exact exterior trim that we used, and now we can place it on the roofs. Now we have a cute little trim there in between. And again, to do it right here, we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to go to our walls down view, and we're going to page down to that level because right now we're up too high to see it. This is considered a room underneath, but it's not considered a room on top. So exact same thing, grab a flat square, put it exactly where you want the trim to be, like so, and then we will go ahead and grab our exterior trim, and now we can place it exactly where we want. So there it is. It's nothing pretty, but it's just a super quick tutorial to teach you how to do that. It used to just frustrate me to no end, but now that we know how, there you go. I hope you have fun. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Don't forget to comment below and let me know if there's other tutorials you want to see. I love creating them. And if you're into tutorials, make sure to subscribe. I have 2 playlists, one for beginners, one for advanced builders, and I go over literally everything in the game that you could possibly imagine when it comes to building. It's an ongoing series, so I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.